Hello my dear students. In previous lecture, we discussed the definitions of different type of numbers. We also learned about the decimal expansions. And we all know there are two types of decimal expansions, terminating decimal expansions and non-terminating decimal expansions. Non-terminating decimal expansions further divide into two parts, that is non-terminating recurring decimal expansions and non-terminating non-recurring decimal expansions. In today's class, I am going to tell you how can we convert rational number into decimal form and how can we find given rational number is terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansion. Let's better understand by solving few questions. Take one example. There is given one rational number, that is 1 upon 16. And we all know rational number can be convert in decimal number by performing division. But today I am going to tell you, without performing actual division, how can we find given rational number is terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansion. So here we see 16 given as a denominator. If denominator, we can write in the form of 2n multiplied by 5m. If denominator, we can write in the form of 2n multiplied by 5m. So that means given number is the terminating decimal expansion. Let's see. First of all, we find the prime factors of 16. That is 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. We can see there. How can we write 16? 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 0, and we all know 5 raised to the power 0 equal to 1. Okay, so 16 we can write in the form of 2n multiplied by 5m. So this one given number, given rational number is the terminating decimal expansion. Let's verify. 1 divided by 16, 0 point, there put 1 0, it's not divisible. One more 0 we put in the quotient and one more 0 put there dividend. Now 16, 6 are 96. Now there is minus, 4 is remainder. Now put 0. 16 2s are 32. Now minus, remainder is 8. Put one more 0 and 16 5s are 80. Their remainder becomes 0. And we all know terminating decimal expansions are those in which remainder becomes 0. Is it clear? Now take one more example. For example, there are 48 upon 100. So first of all, we see there 100. Find the prime factors, that is 50, then 25, and then 5 5s are, and then 5 1s are. So if we want to write the prime factors, they are 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2. So this number also we can write in the form of 2n multiplied by 5m. So without performing actual division, we can tell given rational number is the terminating decimal expansion. Now let's verify. 48 divided by 100. There 0 point, 4s are 400. 80 is the remainder. Then 8s are 800 and remainder becomes 0. So that's why it is also terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. So I think it's clear. Without performing actual division, we can tell terminating the given rational number is terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansion. Take one more example. Number is given, rational number is given 1 upon 27. 27, first of all we find the prime factors, that is 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 27 equal to 3 raised to the power 3. It's not equal to 2n multiplied by 5m. So that's why this number is not terminating decimal expansion. This is non-terminating decimal expansion. We will find that this rational number is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion or non-terminating non-recurring decimal expansions. So for that we perform divide. 27, 0 point, there 0, not divisible, 0, then 3s are 81. By making subtraction, there 19 is the remainder. Once again we put 1 0, 7s are, this is 189 and remainder 1. So now again there 0 and 3s are 81, now 19, 0, 7s are 81. Again 1 remainder 1 repeat there. So we say the group of number 0370, 037, 037 repeated. This is never ending procedure. That's why this is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Recurring decimal expansion. Why non-terminating means? Non-terminating decimal expansions are those in which remainder never becomes 0. Their remainder is 1, and in quotient era group of numbers repeat. So that is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion because their group of number 037 repeating. Now question arises, what are the non-terminating non-recurring decimal expansions? Non-terminating non-recurring decimal expansions are irrational numbers. For example, all the root of prime numbers, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11 and so on, they are irrational numbers. Pi is also example of irrational numbers. And very interesting fact, we can write irrational numbers ourselves. For example, 0.121, 221, 2221. You see that this is never ending procedure and there no group of numbers repeat. So these are the irrational numbers, and we all know irrational numbers cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q. Thank you.